Yes. Yes.
Vehicle is flooding.
Oh my God.
Yeah, like the Titanic.
We have significant water in the vehicle. Good morning and welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is going to be an awesome one. We are installing a snorkel on the Blazer, and I think I can hear Steve somewhere. Oh, there he is. It's definitely gonna be an awesome day. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It's from Dobson's or Dobinson's 4x4, as you can see. And believe it or not, I couldn't find anywhere a snorkel made for an OBS Chevy. I don't know why. I mean, sure, it's a rare thing, but I would assume somebody would make a kit or somebody would make something for it. I couldn't find one. I could not find any product, a snorkel product for an OBS Chevy. But what I did find is on the forums and everything, everybody is using the snorkel from an 80 series, I believe it's an 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. So that's what I ordered. This is in fact a Toyota Land Cruiser snorkel. And I think it'll work.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
If not, we got Dremels and
Yeah, we'll fab something up.
I'll make it work.
Let's do it. Would you happen to have a knife, Steve?
I actually do have a knife. Knivesdeal.com. If you use promo code SendItSteve, all one word, you get 10% off your entire order. And
Okay.
they don't just have knives, which I will touch base with a little later in this video.
I know it's crazy what they've been sending my boy Steve over here.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Wait till you see the video that I actually.
The gun is pretty cool.
That's in the truck.
I'll give you that. Okay.
That's what
Have you showed that yet?
I did not.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
just get ready for more crazy stuff from SendItSteve and KnivesDeal.com.
Definitely. And if you guys don't like the advertisements, well, then you give me the money that I make off it.
Yeah, Steve has to do it. He's getting sponsored here.
Yeah. So.
See, but you're like me. Like, that's a cool. I would do that because that's a cool product.
Yeah, and people are like, oh, well, they're Chinese knives and this and that. Well, they're throwaway knives. They're $8.
Yeah, they're not.
So,
you're not paying $100.
in a month and a half, when this blade's done, where's your
Get
trash
another
can?
one. Yeah. Get another one.
Buy another one.
Rip her on out, buddy. Thank you for doing this, by the way. I can just film.
Oh, I'm freaking pumped.
Here we go. That should work perfectly.
It has no choice. We're gonna make it.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what else we got in the box here. Oh.
Okay, we got the rubber boot. We got the clamps.
Stencil.
I was gonna say that must be like an outline thing.
Yeah, that's your stencil.
So I don't know. You were here for that, Steve, right? This is in fact for a Toyota.
I did hear that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. So the Land Cruiser one does fit like perfectly with the body of the Chevy. That's pretty wild, dude. Like that looks like it's made for it. It's perfect.
That is freaking awesome. I'll hold it so you can.
So we got. I think we got to come.
It does come somewhere around here too.
Should be right in there. That's gonna be perfect. Let me see it from the front, dude. That's gonna be so perfect.
It's definitely sick.
That is gonna be so badass. Look at that. Yes. Yes.
That is gonna be pretty.
Yes, that's gonna look so sick.
It's like everything else, so perfect.
Yeah.
And it hides those not too shabby mounts for the light bar.
Those custom-made light bar mounts. Revealing the beating heart of my mighty Blazer. If anybody can tell me where that line is from, I'll give you a cookie. Here you can see the stock intake system. I don't actually know why it's so complicated with these. They updated this in, I don't even know when, I don't know what year. But for my 92, for example, I had the old style filter, like the big circle, the old air cleaner type. And that was fuel injection as well. It looked like a carburetor setup, but it wasn't. When they switched to the whole like plastic box thing and when they started calling it a Vortec, I don't know. It's pretty far up.
It's pretty well perfect though.
Daddy.
Like if you come here,
Yeah.
like we can go down, we can go as far.
I think we can make it work.
We have no choice.
We could heat this up and bend it.
The plastic?
Yeah.
Bend the plastic.
If you heat this up, it'll bend.
Daddy.
Where we're going, we're not gonna need that.
All right. All right, air box is out of the way.
That's a nice wire job for them lights.
Yeah.
Good for that guy.
Good for that guy, dude. Guess the Toyota has a different frame around the door.
Yeah, like the door probably is.
But yeah, the Chevy has the whole frame comes out with the door when the door opens. So
luckily you got a world record hack here, so we can.
Luckily, we have a truck we don't really care about. Yeah. But I mean, it did line up perfectly, which is what's unfortunate. But we can't really just. I mean, it would literally just like bolt right on if it wasn't for the door. Get a marker for this. This is terrible.
NiceDeal.com, and for 10% off, use promo code Send It Steve, all one word. And then in a month, when you don't need the knife, throw it away. Buy another one for $8.
NiceDeal.com. I'm gonna get the scar and shoot it. That'll make a hole. About right.
He said they're like, just shoot those headlights because they're hideous.
I'm just gonna get I'm gonna get the scar out and shoot it. That should create a pretty big hole.
NiceDeal.com. They also have airsoft guns that look actually freaking
has done
sick.
it again.
I have no idea how they
brand real Sig Sauer.
Yeah, I have no idea how they
Or maybe it's not. Maybe they just wrote that on it. I'm gonna get kicked out of this neighborhood. You ready?
Yep. Gas station.
Hey, buddy.
Tell him he's not gonna get
Andy, what are you doing? What are you doing? From a gas station.
Andy shows up here with tuna to go and deviled eggs from a gas station.
Lunch to go.
Yeah, bubble guts all weekend, Andy.
You haven't bought me lunch yet, so.
Oh, I need both.
Oh
hands.
my god.
I don't think that's gonna work.
It will. It'll go
Dude, these
through.
things are junk. They don't work for nothing.
It'll be enough to get us through, and this little hole cut.
That's never gonna work.
No. Oh my god, dude. Straight wall.
Look at the mud falling out of the front. And now we'll just bring it around. They know a guy like you needs to be cleaned up.
Steve, you're going a little wild there, bud. You got a breath mint.
So
Good.
look how nice and circular mine was, and then look.
Bullshit. Half of this was you.
Throwing a flower? You love that corner back there.
Keep trying to straighten it out. Doesn't work.
All right, let's get this piece like actually out of here. Ow.
I like this bumper, dude.
Thanks.
That's really nice.
$300 for that. Look at that. We got it, boys. We got it.
Kind of a weird angle.
Yeah. Well,
At the top.
it's for a Toyota.
Oh my
Yeah, they don't make them for OBS Chevys, or really any Chevy that I saw. So you have to get one for a Land Cruiser.
Oh, no.
Yeah, and it's pretty close though.
Dear goodness.
Look at that.
See, look at that.
That's
Backyard
pretty
built.
solid. Hell yeah.
Backyard built. See, I like that.
So weird.
Remember how I said keep it under the fender?
Oh yeah, definitely on the
like
Defender. Yeah. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
Bam!
Wow.
You guys are a bunch of
Good job, Mike. Good job.
Damage is done now.
Hell yeah, buddy. Hellfire.
Well, I've learned one thing from this experience.
Never let Mike use a salt ball. Or a Dremel.
It's gonna be really nice.
Oh, good. Look at that.
Perfect.
No.
Like goes down though.
It does point down a little bit, but we can fix
What are you
that.
gonna do? Like custom tubing all the way up to the
Yeah,
No,
top?
you have a rubber boot.
It comes with a boot.
Yeah, and then I'll go home and get my thing.
What thing?
I have aluminum pipe.
That was an easy one.
It's like he's punching.
I'm
it.
telling yeah, it's like a boxer. It's like full
Yeah.
sending it in there.
Keep going, right?
No. You just gotta get it done. That's probably our solid.
Big chungus, buddy.
Oh my lord. He's got the sawdog yet. He's getting hit with metal.
It's like butter, dude.
Mo, hold on.
Now, while Steve explains what's going on there, we are gonna get a pipe to make it actually work and be functional. Now the wind's blowing.
Freaking sweet.
So this is where we're at right now. The Snorkel is installed. It looks actually freaking awesome. I love it. Sorry for the wind noise ahead of time. The only,
Unless you're on my channel, then you're used to it.
unless you're on Steve's channel, then that's all you hear.
What are we doing, Steve?
But right now we have a bungee cord holding the top. Now this is fine, like without the bungee cord if you look.
I'll just follow you then.
It's not like it comes off, but we have it up there so it doesn't move. Overall, it looks freaking awesome though, I have to say. I love it.
Truck needs overhauled.
No, overall.
No, that needs overhauled.
Yeah, Andy, you know what? Go worry about your truck that never runs.
That truck is more
now,
than fine.
leave me alone in my Blazer. It looks incredible. I love it. The snorkel install, really not bad based on the fact that it was for a Land Cruiser. It really went on pretty well.
And for the fact that I'm a backyard built mechanic, so
Yeah.
everything went smoothly.
I have to say, it really did go pretty well for being designed for a Toyota Land Cruiser and not this truck at all. It's pretty close.
And these are the tools that we had to work with.
Yeah, we didn't have
And the
much to
saw,
work
don't forget
with.
the sawzall.
Yeah, don't forget the saw.
Do not forget
Yeah, the sawzall. We did. I mean, we had to make it work, but
part in the construction of this.
I broke a couple blades in the process. Yes.
Unbelievable.
But
Clean up. You
I
just
think it's
keep
pretty
your video
sweet.
going.
I really think it's pretty sweet.
Steve's
And we'll get
cleaning
that
up
top,
the
we'll get a
dirt.
mount built. Steve's cleaning up because he has to, I don't know why he's
I don't
doing,
know
just
why he's
go.
cleaning up, like-
I'll clean up my garage, it's fine.
Okay. I just don't like
Thanks for
leaving
my
a mess
phone.
unless it's my yard.
No, you're,
We know that.
My yard we don't care about. I got all the dirt out of here too, see?
Steve spends more time cleaning my driveway than cleaning his yard.
Because I feel bad. The window down effect. John is gonna be crying the whole time, like, I'm so wet. Oh, I'm getting muddy.
The windows down. I was like, I'm gonna get soaked.
Yeah, you'll be all right. Yeah.
Mike ever says.
Look at the seat you're sitting
Oh.
in. It's covered in mud, but you'll be all right.
Is this still going or this
Yeah.
went dark?
Yep. See the link of the light in the top left.
Oh, okay.
Oh, moment of truth. Let's see if these bumpers are gonna hold up.
Oh my God.
Vehicle is flooding.
Oh my God, yeah,
like the Titanic.
we have significant water in the vehicle.
Oh my
Here,
God.
ready when I close the door, watch this.
Oh, there we go.
Go to the other side. Go like up to the front. Hurry, run. Thank you, Paul. Go.
Hold tight there for a minute.
Let all the water drain out of this.
Yeah, just get it. See if we can get it.
You almost have it.
Alright, tell him to hold it there a minute.
Hang on a second.
Like, I think you blew a bulge or something in the right front. That wheel's flopping pretty good.
Everybody's braking.
I think you knocked the bulge right now, right? The problem is everything's going downhill now. It's flopping pretty good.
Thank you, buddy. Wow. Holy crap. This is insane. This is by far the most insane day I've had on the channel, I think. Everybody's getting stuck. Everybody's braking, me included. But we're having a great time. Right now I'm towing the Tahoe out. He broke down. Looks like the engine has not Will not start, rather. He's trying to crank it. What do you think, bud? This is awesome.
I think I'm a really smart one by leaving my.
Go get that Raptor. Come on, dude.
Absolutely not now.
You won't come down here in the Raptor?
Not now.
How are you gonna make a YouTube channel? You gotta do it. People don't want to see a Raptor parked.
Oh, what the hell?
I'll pull him out. It's so close because the front's starting to come up on his.
No one just takes another, like,
Oh, he's
aim towards the tree or something. There where it's
aim towards John a little bit, but yeah. The hitch came out finally! Woo! The hitch is finally free! The hitch is finally free! Dude, that hitch has been stuck. It has had no pin, and we've yanked on that a million times. There's never been a pin in it. It's actually kind of sad. It finally happened. And it actually don't look bad up here either. Yeah. It's all right. We're now selling a used hitch if anybody's in the market. We could reuse this. We could. It hit on your thing here.
Is that where it
Yeah. Dude, it came out so slow. No, because the chain was still on that, so it was just like. You could have that time because he it was a good solid yank on there.
I think I got one more time. I think
You want another chain and then you can get over like here maybe?
I'll come up from the back up and use
Here,
my toe.
park over here and try and pull me that way a
Next
little
thing that's happened is I get stuck. Now we'll have no working dude.
We got a Raptor and an F450.
We got an FJ too.
Yeah, we got a Raptor and FJ. We got the 450.
I'm not bringing the Raptor down here. Just broke just now, dude. You don't see it. You can't hear it running no more? I hear it running.
No, that's the wind.
You need to bring your Raptor. That's a breeze. Bring the 450 first.
No balls.
I don't have any.
Bring the heaviest one down here other than the heaviest one stuck.